Some places don't feel real until you see them from above. Waterfalls falling into the sea. The Faroe Islands rise out of the North Atlantic like something ancient. Cliffs carved by wind, waves crashing endlessly below, and roads disappearing into valleys that feel untouched by time. From the sky, everything feels bigger. The mountains, the ocean, the silence. Villages tucked beneath towering peaks, and landscapes that make you feel incredibly small in the best way. This is the kind of place that reminds you why we travel, not just to see the world, but to feel it.